Da-da-da-da-dum, da. Boys, welcome to today's video. As you see, we have the beautiful Element Enduro in front of us. This is a review video. You're going to get a full detailed look at this kit. Super freaking cool. Look at those upper control arms. My thoughts, the price of the vehicle, the performance of the vehicle, the durability of it, and then in the end, my conclusion and what I think about it. Overall score and should you buy this kit?
I'm buying this place.
What?
So if you're interested in this type of video and it will help you make a decision on purchasing this, check this video out and stay till the end. I'm going to have a lot of good info in here, boys, where to buy this thing, where's the best price right now, what I think about it. Tell you boys, spend your money right and make sure you make a beautiful decision on your next RC purchase. What we have here is the Element IFS-2 is our big review topic of today. This kit bolts to the Element Enduro platform. It can bolt onto a smorgasbord of the Element chassis. Element did really well about finding a chassis and kind of sticking with it. Same thing with Traxxas and their TRX4. These two companies kind of found these two kits and they married them and they went about their happy lives and they just kept changing them a little here and there. I don't have a problem with that. You know, if you find something that works, you try it, just might work again, then you keep trying that and then, oh, it worked again. Then, oh, you know what, design team, we're going to try it. It's going to work again.
Simply doesn't work.
I know I'm making fun there, but I'm really not mad at it. You know, they found something great. It works. It's phenomenal. They even found something they can take and kind of build off of and change and make different. Coming up with a solid chassis. So now that we know this is based off the Element Enduro chassis, well, Quade, can I just kind of buy this kit and not, you know, install it on my current Element if I don't even own an Element? Well, yes, you can. At the filming of this video, January, about 17th of 2024, you can buy the Element U-Tron. I'll drop a link for that bad boy down below. Dive into the price on this thing. Your price for this bad boy, you can get it right now available in the U-Tron, $299.99. That is a phenomenal, phenomenal price, boys. If you look back when I bought this Enduro Trail Runner beside me, it came with the IFS-1. She was running about $399.99. Not mad at it, it's just what it was. So for the price you get at the U-Tron, send it, boys. If you want the IFS kit for under 300 bucks, that's a solid kit to get into this game and start RCing. You will not be disappointed. What is my other option, Quade? Well, your other option to get this kit is to, well, buy the actual IFS-2 kit and install it kind of like we did here on this Element Trail Runner. It should fit any of the Enduros. It should fit the Nightwalker. It'll fit the Trail Runners. It may fit the Gatekeeper, I'm pretty sure. The only difference on the Gatekeeper is it's going to have shock on trailing arm with a sway bar rear suspension, kind of like I designed for this kit for you folks to bolt on. If you're interested in the QCRC Baja Kit to make your truck kind of look like a truck or whatever, kind of like a pre-runner, I'll drop a link down below into that, QCRCHobbies.com. You can get this full Baja Kit for the back of your Element. A beautiful addition to the IFS-2 system. $299.99 for that kit, boys. Send it. Again, that's a phenomenal price. Knowing just a couple years ago what the Trail Runner was when they hit the market of $399, you're getting a heck of a deal.
I'll make that deal.
The $99 for the front kit to adapt it, you get shocks. You literally get all the new arms. You get a new front gearbox. You get literally everything, all the screws. You get a beautiful little pinball machine you can assemble in the box. Boys, $99, send it. You're not going to regret it. We know the price. We know kind of what we're doing to get this kit in our hands in a full version ready to go, or just kind of in something that we can assemble and give us some pride knowing we assembled this. Shout out to you, boys. We assembled it. My first-hand thoughts and, well, my final thoughts. I absolutely love this kit. I am amazed at the performance straight out of the box. I was a little skeptical about the shocks, as you boys know if you watched my assembly video and my first performance video. Let me tell you, for some RTR shocks, basically, because they came on a kit ready assembled, these things are phenomenal. Like, I know they may not be the most aesthetically pleasing shocks in the universe, but for what you're getting performance-wise, dude, they are sick. I love them. I was going to swap them out for some King shocks, and I still may do that to get my aesthetic vibe going, matching on the truck, but these are great shocks. I'm loving the new steering system. It feels so buttery smooth steering through some jumps, trying to get the truck to do what you want. The IFS-2 system was kind of clunky and kind of like, it just wasn't as smooth as I would like. This IFS-2 system, steering is phenomenally smooth. Gets you exactly where you want to go. Where you point the truck, this truck goes. And I love that. Super easy to maintenance, super easy to kind of look over and change anything or clean it out. Servo change is, it's chef's kiss, boys. It's phenomenal. It's a game-changing system. I'm letting you know now, it is game-changing. Diving into the bottom control arms and kind of looking at the skid plate and all, I just think they took this kit. They were like, hey, we have this kit. It's pretty good. Make it amazing. Handed it off to the design team. The design team was like, hold my beer. And they made it amazing. Literally, hats off to Element. They did phenomenal. That's my thoughts on this thing. I love it. You should buy it. If you're interested in any in the slightest bit, I do not think you'll regret it. It is phenomenal. Really hope this opens the window for new companies to be like, hey, you know, Element's doing pretty well with the IFS kit. Let's make our own IFS kit.
Well, what are you waiting for?
I don't know. Something amazing, I guess.
Performance is, well, also phenomenal. It did awesome. It flexes like you have another ½ inch of travel compared to the old kit. You have these new steering system that just steers on a dime. Performance is A+, check off. It's great. It's good. I had to test durability here, and we're whistling diesel in it or anything, but we had to test durability, and it's durable. It did not break anything. I maybe sent it off the edge of the jump a little too hard and landed on that right front wheel one too many times, and it did not phase it. It does not phase it at all. The only issue I had with this kit, two very small. One of them is kind of big. The only issues I had in this kit, one being smaller, and the second one, hopefully not everyone has this, but I had an issue with it. My gear in my front diff was backwards. So when I plugged the battery up, my front wheels went backwards, my rear wheels went forward. So I had to take and flop the gear, and you're like, oh, Quay, that's super easy, you know, do it all the time. It is super easy, but not when they put a little, you know, like plastic kind of nipple in the bottom of the diff case, so you can't flip the gear. A little X-Acto and some Dremel will shave that boy down, flip the gear, and we're phenomenal. Have had issues since. Nitpicking here, boys. I'm nitpicking. My stickers for my brakes were backwards. I would have liked to see them just, you know, right ways, so I could see the little brake caliper and my little rotor behind the wheel. It's not an issue at all. I just would have liked to see that turned around. Should you buy this? If you're watching this video right now and you still haven't like left the video playing on the side and went on your browser and clicked it, or watching this on your TV, got on your phone and, you know, bought this kit and bought the QCRC kit for the back to have it like a pre-runner Baja style, so you can put a sick Raptor body, a Tacoma body, any Baja body on this thing. You're behind, folks. You're slacking. Get out there. Buy this kit right now.
We're waiting.
I don't get any money for telling you to buy this kit, but I know it's amazing, and I know it provides you guys some very fun sins outside on a track, on a trail, or anywhere, because this kit is just great. So overall, boys, you're like, all right, Quade, get to it. We're done hearing you yap. What is your score? What is my score of this kit?
I made a graph.
Gonna give a final score here. I think my final score of this kit, taking in its price, taking in the performance, taking in the durability, taking in the two little, you know, quirks that I had going on with my kit, I'm going to give this kit a 9.8. And you're like, dude, you had to flip your diff gear even at that high of score. Maybe it was just me. If it wasn't, though, drop a comment down below so I know. But for me, from my experience, it wasn't that big a deal. And I could see if you like are in the industry just getting into it and you don't know what the heck to do, then drop down, watch this other video in the link, and it'll help you how to do it and how to figure it out if you're a first time kind of RC enthusiast getting into wrenching on your own stuff. It's that good. Go buy this thing. Don't wait any longer. Get out on the trail. Get out on the track. Jump this thing. Enjoy this thing. Customize it and love it. 85% of you boys are now subscribed to the channel. So you enjoy this, you watch it, you love it, and you go to your next video. There's a little button, it takes 2 seconds. That doesn't only help me, it helps you. The more we grow, the more you grow. The more cool content you get, the more cool stuff you get. Boys, think about hitting that subscribe button. It's free. That's the most beautiful thing. It costs nothing, but it provides you tremendous value and entertainment for free. Well, this thing could have been on sale. You wouldn't even have known. Wouldn't have known. What a shame. Boys, really hope you enjoyed it. It's going to do us in for this one. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you're having a beautiful day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever and however you're watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you went out and during this video or right after the video, you're going to buy this kit or buy the U-Tron. Get out there. Do it. It's phenomenal, and you need it, and you won't regret it. Great price, great performance, and great durability, and a great kit from Element. Again, hats off, Element. Love you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing it good.